on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and of course, we got another brand new unboxing video for you guys today. Alrighty, guys. Without further ado, let's get right into this unboxing. No sweet talk to you today, but however, if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss another one of these bangers. And like I said, without further ado, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low Premium WSS. You know what that means. If you know this sneaker in specific, purple box, put it in the comments before you watch the rest of this. But coastal blue, and that is the colorway in my size 11.5, my true to size for Air Jordan 1 lows and also Nike SB Dunk lows, which are these. Now, opening up the box, you're going to get greeted with that beautiful colorway. This is the Why So Sad Nike SB Dunk Low for your head top. Let me just show you this real quick. We got the blue extra set of laces in this guy right here. Getting that out of the way so I don't have to show you guys both. But my lord, is this one of the cleanest Nike SB Dunk Low colorways you might ever see. Also, before we get rid of this specific one right here, let me show you guys the insole of the right pair right here. You're going to get the Why So Sad Duck logo right there. Hopefully you guys are able to see that on the camera. And then on the left shoe, you're going to get the Why So Sad times Nike SB logo right there on the insole. And without further ado, let's get right into it. But I did want to show one more thing. So this specific shoe comes with a QR code right there. You're going to be able to scan that QR code. It's going to bring you to the Why So Sad NikeSB.com/Why So Sad website. It will speak about mental health and all of the likes over on that website. Now, this specific collaboration is a Nike SB Dunk Low and Why So Sad collab. The Why So Sad organization, I believe, don't quote me on this, I did not do a ton of research on this, but I believe all of the, not all of the proceeds, but maybe some of the proceeds from this purchase does go to that mental health fund. So I do think that it's a pretty cool nod and also a pretty cool thing for Nike to collab with. So guys, let us get right into this review. So you are going to get this really nice, beautiful coastal blue right there. It's going to be a nice nubuck suede right there. And then all along the toe guard and also the heel tabs, you're also going to get this nice game royal blue. I really like that. Nice suede. It's more of a rough suede going all along the shoe. It is going to come pre-laced with those nice white bright laces right there. Also, when you get to the tongue, it's going to say Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the red and gold right there. Now behind the tongue, you're going to get the Why So Sad right there, which I think is a nice, cool little nod to the collab. And also on the back, right on the heel, you're going to get a nice red hairy suede with a yellow question mark for the Why So Sad. Now, whenever I keep saying Why So Sad, I think of the Joker for some reason. Why So Serious? I don't know why. It's probably just me, honestly. But let's get right into here. So, like I said, the socket iron is going to be the nice royal blue. Going along the heel, like I said, you get the coastal with the nice royal blue suede going along that back of the heel tab right there. And as we start making our way to the swoosh, we're going to get a leather blue swoosh. However, if you look very closely around the edges, you're going to see yellow behind that swoosh. I wonder what that could be. Yes, that's right. So if you guys wear out this sneaker and you actually skate with this shoe, the swoosh will reveal a yellow swoosh underneath. I've seen tons of videos online already about people taking like alcohol or water and wiping it down to get it pre-distressed and yellow. I'll throw some images if I can get them up on the screen right now about how it looks with the yellow swoosh as opposed to the stock leather blue swoosh. So I do think that that's really pretty cool. I do like when they make more unique custom touches for the skateboarders, which these are intended for, obviously. You know, if you wear them down or you're skating a whole bunch, there's multi-layers to the sneaker. I think that's a really, really cool touch. And then you're also going to get the second little difference between the left and the right pair, Right here, you're going to get the nice little duck riding a bike right here, which I think is awesome. And then when you make your way over to the right shoe, you're going to get the little bird right here riding this skateboard, which I think is awesome, man. I love when they have little touches all along the shoe, nodding to the collaboration. And then going to the outsole, you're going to get this nice icy blue outsole with the Nike SB foam pod right in the center. Right there. So let me know, guys, what you guys think of the Nike SB Dunk Low Why So Sads. I am, like I said, super getting into a lot of SBs. Actually, my next video is going to be another Nike SB Dunk Low that your boy picked up. So let me know if you guys were able to cop these things on release. Did you go for them? Did you not? Did you pass? Did you have to scoop them up on the resale market? Let me know all of it down in the comment section below. Like I said, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you guys are hitting that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe because we're cruising past that 1,000 subscriber mark. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss another one of these bangers. And let me know what you guys, like I said, think about these things overall down in the comments section below, because I think this is one of the best Nike SB Dunk Low collabs in a while. They've been coming out with some serious bangers between 2022 and this year, 2023. And I will be doing my Nike SB Dunk Low collection video later down right before the new year, so maybe late December time, so stay tuned on the lookout for that banger. With all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, me, and the Why So Sad Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. We're out. Peace.